Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Wednesday, February 23rd. Let's find out what is in our number corner for the day. Wow, we weren't in school on Friday, so we have a few days we need to discuss. We have Friday the 18th. Ooh, are those the same shape and size? No. They are two rhombuses, but they are not congruent. They are not the same size, so they are not congruent. We have, two more rhombuses here. Rhombuses were popular. We have 3 going across and 3 up here. They are the same size. And they look like they're the same shape, even though they're turned in different directions. These two shapes are congruent. Let's look. Oh, wow. We have 2 trapezoids here. This trapezoid has 2 dots at the top. This trapezoid has 3 dots at the top. Are they the same size? No. So they are not congruent. Same shape, but not the same size. And here we have 2 triangles. Same shape, check. Are they the same size? Yes, they are. They are congruent. Let's look at yesterday's card. Wow. Another quadrilateral shape, 4-sided shape, a rectangle. So they both are rectangles. Check. They're both the same shape. Are they the same size? No, they're not. So they are not congruent. Which leads us to today's shapes. A way to check to see if these are the same size. They appear to be the same shape. Another quadrilateral. They look like they're rhombuses. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots in the middle of this shape B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots in the shape of shape A. These are congruent to one another. So we have 2 rhombuses, 4-sided shapes, and they are congruent. So if we look, we have rhombus, rhombus, 4-sided shape, 4-sided shape. It is congruent. We're going to move on to our next activity where we talk about the days in school. Again, we had a snow day on Friday, so we were not in school. So that means we now have 103 days. 100 is this flat here. 1, 2, 3. 103 days, which makes it 103 days. We put the number word 103. We have 10 groups of 10, which is this big flat here of 100, and 3 ones. Math fact you could put is 100 plus 3, which is equal to 10 dimes and 3 pennies. We're going to move on. I do want to show you one thing. I did take the time to add what we had collected last week with cubes, and we collected 43 cubes. So I did keep that there for you because we're going to keep track of how much we collect the whole month. So we're going to start a brand new week. This should not be here. And we're going to spin. Our week is short this week. We have 8 cubes we're going to put here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes here. And we'll find out how many we will be able to add to it tomorrow. What I wanted to take the time to do today was have you do this. I would like you to turn in your math books to page 38. Remember, this is your number corner book. It is the book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. The blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. Page 38. On page 38, you're going to see a hundreds grid, a hundreds chart. A chart with numbers from 1 to 100. Once you do that, you are going to see that there's a lot on the page. With this information, I want you to focus on, wow, what do I remember that I have learned about counting in patterns this year? And I want to give you the opportunity to count in certain patterns. For example, you may say, oh, wow, I can count by tens. And if you can count by tens on here, then you can actually color in counting by tens. So if I was counting by tens, I would color in with the same color, counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You may say, Mrs. Graham, I know how to count in other patterns as well. You might remember that you can also count in patterns of 2s, 5s, 1s. And I want to give you the opportunity now to think about, wow, if I was counting in these patterns, how could I color it in on this hundreds chart? Take the time to do that now. I think you would be amazed at how much you really know. Have a great time. Off you go, All Stars. Enjoy.